By the time I finish this video, no matter who you are, whether you're 16 years old or 100 years old, male or female, you can create one of the best movie explainer channels on YouTube and other video sharing platforms like TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. In fact, I'm going to show you a simple technique that I used to grow my channel from 0 subscribers to over 5,000 subscribers in just 3 days. All you need to do is stick with me, and you may ask if these channels are monetized. Let's check some channels by going to this website. Paste the link of the channel here. Now hit the enter button. As you can see, this channel is monetized. Let's quickly check another one. As you can see, this channel is also monetized. So do not be deceived by anyone. Just go ahead and do it. Well, in case you don't know, I am Prime X. In fact, I create the best videos in the game. So if you're new here, just keep watching. And if you are satisfied in the end, don't run away with my appreciation. Let's get started. Alright, to find a trending movie, start by heading to the video description and clicking on the Diane link there. This will redirect you to a website. As you can see, the website is in Chinese. You can click this icon to translate, but I am not interested in doing that because we'll still search for the movie we want in the Chinese language. Alright, go ahead and find trending movies. You can find popular movies from your competitors. I am not saying you should copy their movies, but rather take inspiration from them. Once you get a movie, we need to search it on the Diane website. The effective way to do this is to go to Google Translate. From here, choose Chinese. Now enter the title of the movie and add Movie Recap. Next, copy the Chinese text from here. Go back to Diane, paste it, and hit enter on your keyboard. Now scroll through, and once you find the one you like, just click the share button, then click here to copy the link to your clipboard. Now follow me carefully to avoid errors. Go to this website. You'll find the link in the video description. Next, click on this button. As you can see, the link is pasted here. Now listen, do not change anything here, just leave it as it is, then click the download button. Here, wait a little and you'll get this. Click the first option, which is the MP4 version. This will save the video to your device as an MP4 file. Now let's move to the fun part, installing CapCut Pro for free on your first. Open your web browser, click on search bar, type CapCut for Windows up to down, and hit enter. Click on the result that says CapCut for Windows. Once you're on the CapCut page, scroll down until you see a list of older versions. Look for a version like CapCut 2.1 or 2.0. These versions often include pro features unlocked without login or restrictions. Click the download button next to the version you want. The file will start downloading. Once the download is complete, open the .exe setup file. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Follow the simple steps to install it. Just keep clicking. Next, and finally install. After it's installed, open CapCut. You'll notice that you can now use premium features like 4K export, no watermark, premium filters, and fonts. Completely free. No need to log in or pay. Important tip, turn off automatic updates in your CapCut settings or your PC's app store so the app doesn't update to the latest version, which might lock the pro features again. Simply, just click on New Project. Once that opens, head over to the media panel and click the Import button. From here, locate the video you previously downloaded from Diane. Select it and hit Open. The imported file will now appear in your media library. You can add it to the timeline by simply dragging it down into the video track, or by clicking the little plus icon that appears when you hover over the thumbnail. Now that your video is on the timeline, it's time to generate subtitles. Select the clip, then go to the text section at the top, and choose Auto Captions. In the pop-up window, in the spoken language, you can select your video language, Chinese in our case, and in bilingual language, you can choose English, then click Generate. CapCut will automatically analyze the video and generate subtitles. If the original video already contains Chinese or other hard-coded subtitles, you can cover them up by a black overlay. Simply import a black picture in CapCut and add in your timeline. And make sure you are setting it between the caption and the video. Now you can see now, styling your captions. Just head into the Style tab, pick a bold font, add a background color, and increase the font size until the new captions fully overlay the original text. but I use a template. Next comes the voiceover. CapCut offers a powerful text-to-speech tool that supports various realistic voices. Select all the subtitles you just generated and from the right panel choose Text-to-Speech. Pick the language and scroll through the available voices to find one that fits the tone of your video. Once you've chosen, enable the option to match the reading speed to the video duration. Then click Generate and let CapCut process the voiceover. If it feels too fast or too slow, you can adjust the sync or regenerate it for a better match. Now that you have your own voiceover, it's time to remove the original audio from the video. You can see the volume option here. Simply click on it and it will completely remove the sound from your video. To enhance the look of your video, consider adding a filter. Go to the Effects tab, then under Video Effects, look for something like Moody, Soft, or Shadow that can provide a cinematic vibe. Drag your chosen effect onto the timeline and stretch it to match the full length of your video. Finally, let's add background music. Head to the audio section where you can either use CapCut's built-in sound library or import your own music. Drag your selected track into the audio timeline, then reduce the volume to around 10 to 20% so it doesn't overpower the voiceover. Trim any excess parts by using the split tool and make sure everything is in sync. That's it. You've now fully edited and voiced over a professional video using CapCut. Now, let's see the result.
The vast majority of the audience did not understand behind the plot of The Wandering Earth 2. After watching The Wandering Earth 2, seems to be planning a rebellion. Destroy the moon engine. Why kill Andy Lau? What about Park Hyung's daughter Yaya?
I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't leave without subscribing. See you in the next one.
Huh?